Well, in the last 10 to 12 years, we have had an influx of a number of different ceramics. We have the lithium disilicate. When I was a young dentist, it was principally feldspathic porcelain that was our one and only ceramic. But we also have zirconia. And oh my goodness, zirconia has changed the landscape immensely. So hard, so strong, but so hard. When you're finishing, when you're polishing, think in your early steps, road grader. Spreading over a large surface area using larger wheels, larger discs, larger cups, so that you're smoothing and blending before you think about polishing. And then once that is smooth in a continuous contour without any ripples and the like, then you go to your high shine. This is important not just to provide the ultimate finish, but it helps to reduce the probability of micro cracks and fractures, as a ripple polished surface can be more conducive to micro fractures than a perfectly blended smooth surface, which then receives the ultimate shine. And to date, most of the systems for handling these different ceramics have been specific to the different ceramics, meaning you had to have a multiplicity of different types of grinders and polishers relative to the type of ceramic you were dealing with. What a step above it would be to have a system that was universal, in which the same grinders, the same blending and polishing wheels and cups work just as effectively for every one of the different ceramics.
Ultradent's new Jiffy Universal system is a finishing solution in which all adjusters and polishers work interchangeably on porcelain, lithium disilicate, and zirconia. The Jiffy Universal system includes an extra-orale kit and an intraorale kit. The components included in each kit feature specially formulated Ultradent diamond grit that is designed to give optimal smoothness and outstanding polishing results while still being gentle on processed materials. Every time you finish a ceramic restoration, you know that you are creating a truly smooth, beautiful, high-gloss finish of the highest quality. The Jiffy Universal system offers a universal finishing solution with an optimal number of components. Each convenient kit includes everything you need, eliminating the need to purchase unnecessary or multiple components, saving you time and money.